Let's start by talking about the finger exercise from last week. So, the goal is to make sure that your hand maintains the same position the whole time. So what was happening, like when you were letting go of that 5th fret, like your hand was scrunching up. So by the time you went to go to the other string, you had to keep like doing something kind of funky with your wrist to put it back to where it was. So the idea is to be able to keep your fingers spread out evenly over that span of the 4 different frets. So when you're working on this exercise, focus to keep all 4 fingers down as you're coming up. Coming back down is not going to matter. You can't keep everything down going backwards. You'd be walking out of a note. But that's the goal when working on that, to keep your fingers down as much as you can. And yeah, just try and keep your fingers up on the tips as much as you can. Keep them all kind of facing the same way on each string as much as possible, and avoid laying your hand down like this at all. So don't scrunch up your hand. You got to keep it like making a claw with those fingers. Okay, next thing, the exercise to really work that pinky hand stretch. So starting on 12, you're going to hammer on to 15. So each bar is 4 times, and you just work your way down 1 fret at a time until you hit the 1 and the 4. And that's the idea. Remember, keep that thumb center of the hand, not over here. Anytime you go over here, your hand's going to collapse. Got to keep it dead center as much as you possibly can. Okay, let's go to the next page. So some more finger dexterity work. Get that left hand moving. So for this one, I'm just going to keep my thumb anchored on the pickup the whole time. And we got this. Next thing is expanding on our hammer-ons. Each bar 4 times. So you got the slur mark going across 3 notes now instead of the 2. So that means you're going to pick the first note and then hammer on, hammer on. So pick, hammer, hammer. Alright, here is this one. Make sure to keep all 4 fingers down, or all 3 fingers down as much as you can. So by the time you hit that last note, see, all 3 fingers are still down. Okay, and now the 3 more straightforward bass lines. The goal is to keep these as even as possible, nice and smooth, just a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes the whole time, each bar. Here we go. And the next one. with that. All right, well, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you again Friday.